Hey guys, so this up is your boy Teddy here and welcome back to another weekly B-Boy tutorial. And today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the spider switch. But before I start, like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out, you will get notified. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right onto it. From the name of the move, you already know that the basic to learn this is the basic spider freeze. If you don't know how spider freeze looks like, this is how it looks. So if you haven't learned spider freeze, I will highly recommend you to learn that move first. I'm gonna put the link on top here. Just click it and it will take you to the spider freeze tutorial. You're going to start this move from the basic spider freeze. Basic spider freeze. Now the first step is you're gonna put your right leg on the ground and swing your left leg to the left side. Now the next step is you're gonna bring your upper body up. Alright, move your upper body to the left side, and this is where the switch begins. Alright, one more time. So upper body up, switch to the left side. Now for the third and final step, you're gonna do a swing with your right leg and wrap around your right hand, and at the same time make sure you swing your left leg to the left side. Now the next thing to do is just keep repeating all the move and all the steps, and it will look something like this. That's it for the spider switch. Make sure you clean up first before using it in the battle or in your set. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. That's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.